So, your company's BigCommerce store is set up and works like a charm. Sales are coming in and the company's success is a reality. But what's that? The struggle of seeing a complete overview of your production and sales has become all too real? Well, luckily for you, integrating Katana with BigCommerce lets you visually manage order fulfillment and production all from one platform, making it easy to identify possible risks in delivery delays so that you can reprioritize to deliver on time. And if you're worried about setting up the integration, it really couldn't be easier. Either set it up directly from the BigCommerce marketplace, or go to Katana's setting page, find BigCommerce, and follow the guided setup. You can even connect multiple BigCommerce stores if needed. Once integrated, you'll be able to sync your sales orders from BigCommerce back to Katana, maintain a status sync, and send Katana's inventory levels back to BigCommerce. You can also import products with variants, orders, customers, and inventory levels from BigCommerce to Katana. Before you know it, you'll start to feel like production and sales manages itself. Connect BigCommerce with Katana today and improve your manufacturing experience to raise simple and comprehensive live look at your business. Huzzah!